Have you ever wondered if the people around you are truly sincere? Those friendly smiles and sweet words, could they be hiding jealousy and lies? We like to think we can tell who is real, but the truth is, it's not always that simple. Jealousy and deception often wear masks, making them even more dangerous. Imagine this. You're celebrating a huge success at work. Friends and colleagues gather around you, congratulating you with smiles. Yet deep down, something feels off. Maybe someone in that crowd is hiding resentment behind their congratulations. Their smile says one thing, but their eyes reveal another. In today's video, we'll uncover 10 powerful methods rooted in timeless Stoic wisdom to help you spot jealousy and deception before they harm you. These methods will not only protect you from toxic relationships, but also bring you greater peace, confidence, and wisdom. Before we dive in, here's a quick challenge. Watch the video until the end. Every lesson matters. And comment below, "I'm ready for the journey," to show your commitment. 1. Observe their actions. Words are easy to fake. Actions, not so much. According to Stoic philosophy, a person's true nature is shown through their actions, not their words. Notice, do their actions match what they say? If someone praises you to your face but sabotages you behind your back, believe the actions, not the words. As Marcus Aurelius said, waste no more time arguing what a good man should be. Be one. Trust consistent actions, doubt sweet words. 2. Evaluate their response to your success. How someone reacts to your wins says everything. A true friend celebrates you. A jealous person feels threatened. Watch for fake congratulations, backhanded compliments, or subtle criticisms. Real supporters feel inspired by your success. Pretenders, they'll try to make you feel small. 3. Notice how they treat those who can't benefit them. Character isn't shown in how we treat our equals. It's shown in how we treat those with nothing to offer us. Watch how someone treats waiters, assistants, or anyone in a weaker position. Respect for all reveals true goodness. Disrespect towards the powerless reveals hidden arrogance and envy. 4. Distinguish between praise and flattery. Compliments are healthy. Flattery is a trap. If someone showers you with excessive, unrealistic praise, be cautious. Are they trying to get something from you? Stoicism teaches us, stay grounded. Trust your self-worth. Don't let flattery cloud your judgment. 5th monitor. Consistency. Consistency builds trust. Watch for people who act differently based on who's watching or what they can gain. A sincere person acts the same, whether you're useful to them or not. A deceitful person changes like the wind, depending on what they need. Pay attention to long-term patterns, not just moments. 6. Observe their attitude when criticized. A wise soul welcomes criticism. A fragile ego attacks it. Marcus Aurelius said, "If someone can show me I am wrong, I will gladly change." When you give honest feedback, how does the other person react? If they lash out or shut you down, they fear exposure. Strong people see criticism as a tool for growth. 7. Attentively notice unintentional comparisons. Be alert when people make small comparisons, even when they claim they're joking. Remarks like, "You're good, but John is better," reveal insecurity. Those who truly care about you won't compare you to others. They'll appreciate you for who you are, without measuring you against anyone. 8. Pay attention to their reaction to your failures. True friends stick around when you fail. They don't laugh, blame, or distance themselves. Jealous and deceitful people secretly celebrate your failures. They may even blame you to cover their own insecurities. How people behave when you're down shows you who they really are. 9. Watch how they speak about others behind their backs. If someone gossips to you about others, they will gossip about you to others. Stoic philosophy reminds us, people who sow negativity will harvest distrust. Respect those who protect others' reputations, even in private. 10. Trust your gut. Finally, trust your instincts. Your subconscious often picks up on small, hidden signals. Tone, body language, energy. If something feels wrong, even if you can't explain it, Don't ignore it. Stoicism teaches us to stay calm, observe, and act wisely based on truth, not fear. Now that you know these 10 powerful methods, you are better equipped to spot jealousy and deception early. Protect your peace. Build stronger, more authentic relationships. Remember, your journey toward wisdom is about choosing clarity over confusion, sincerity over sweetness, and truth over appearances. If you found value in today's video, hit the like button, subscribe, and comment below. I choose truth. Stay strong, stay wise, and as always, stay true to yourself.